his ass. He's got a camera. So Joseph's car broke down right over there.
Birthday to Dallas.
Does he have a pulse? Alrighty, so I f***ed up. Alrighty, so we just landed here in Dallas and I just met up with my friends.
Hey!
Hi. Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I gotta pee.
You gotta pee?
I gotta take a piss. Let's go.
Alright, so we just got to the hotel room right now and I just changed. We're gonna go find something to eat and meet. No, bro. Stop. Oh! Don't fool. Oh gosh. Jump his ass. Jump his ass. He's got a camera. Hey, hey. Oh, shit. Daniel, being attacked. No.
Hey, your boots, sir, your boots. We're going up, we're going down.
Down.
Down? That's what's up.
Joseph, Chris, parents didn't name him.
Yeah.
What are y'all doing in town?
Texas or you?
I'm gonna get f***ed up, right? You already f***ed up.
Yes.
Maybe in your vlog.
So we ended up coming to eat at this place called the Magic Time Machine. So we're gonna go in there and get some food.
If you're feeling short, I can give you power up.
Are you okay?
How are you doing?
So,
All's well.
Oh, that's cool. Sounds just like.
What color is her hoodie or her shirt?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
I can see color. I just don't really know them yet. I'm going to walk away now.
Oh, what the f?
I'll travel faster than my brother, that's for sure.
Where was he at?
Where is he?
With the princess.
Where's your mustache at?
Oh, the princess doesn't like it.
I thought she was with Mario. Eskimo brother!
Roger, your special birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, dear Roger! You annoying kid, you.
What is happening? Hey, Riddler, what's your best riddle?
My entire life. What do Batman and Harry Potter want for Christmas? Parents.
Alright, check us out. It's actually scented candle. It's green apple. It's really good. Man. Really... It's gonna be real rough because whenever you're done reading, you'll remember why we don't grow up.
Oh.
Run!
See how Alright, so we're here at Grapevine Mills Mall. We're gonna see.
Shut
around,
up!
Kill some time. Really? That was mean. Roger, happy
thank you,
birthday.
Chris.
Even though it was like, no, too late. Just checked out. Roger bought some shoes and he's getting more shoes, but then Joseph's buying 3. How do you feel?
I feel bad. I feel irresponsible.
Doing good, Jay? Doing good, Jay? How about you, Nathan, too?
Doing great.
Doing alright?
Doing great.
Yes, sir. Alright, so we just got done at Grapevine Mills Mall. We picked up a lot of cool things. Right now, we are here at Xtreme Raceway for It's Just a 6, right? It's Just a 6's meetup, and there's a lot of people here. So by the way, on our way over here, the guys are riding right beside us, so I decided to take my camera out, and just out of the blue, I did not expect them to come out as good as they did, but this is how they came out. Like, wow, they just came out so good. I just didn't expect that to happen, you know? So right now we're about to watch some races. We are here right next to the track. Then we got a dip because we got a concert to go to. Bye. What's up, guys? We just got back to the hotel room right now. Got this super cool infinity gauntlet. I thought this would make like a pretty cool little display piece for my YouTube channel. Hey, listen, what are you doing, dog?
I'm praying that we don't get kicked out of this hotel.
The next day.
Alrighty, so I f***ed up. I forgot to keep the vlog going yesterday. So we went to a Young Bae concert last night. It was pretty lit. Go ahead and add me on Snapchat if you're watching this right now. I really appreciate it. So anyways, so we're leaving today. But before we leave, we're gonna come to this mall real quick, get a couple of things for the family and friends back at home. So let's get inside and let's get this going. Roger, you met It's Just a Six last night, and what did you make him sign?
Oh, I made him sign my diploma.
Of all things, you made him sign a legal document?
This, oh my goodness, Chris.
Your boyfriend let a YouTuber sign.
The back of his diploma.
I would have made him sign my license if I wanted
That would have made more sense than a freaking diploma. You having fun, Roger?
Yeah.
Your name's Roger?
Yes, ma'am.
You're 24, right? Or handout?
Like,
This one on top. And I want you to make a big elephant noise, and as we sing, it's gonna get
What noise was that? That was not a piece of. Alrighty, so we're finally done. Now it's time to hit the road.
3 hours later.
So Joseph's car broke down right over there. No, God! And we're gonna ride with this guy all the way to Odessa. We're gonna stuff everything inside the trunk. Oh yeah, Joseph bought an infinity gauntlet too. Alright, we're taking off. We're here in the back of Roger's Camaro, like stuffed.
Let's hold hands, Chris.
Yes, sir.
oh God.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good, you?
Oh, this took a turn of events, isn't that right, guys?
Yep.
For real.
I need my blankie. I don't know where my blankie went.
It's right here.
There it is.
Somebody's birthday to Dallas. Something happened.
Yeah?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Zimra, ZYMRA12.
Follow her on Snapchat, guys.
Yeah, follow
You just got a car?
Yeah, I just got an Audi.
Oh!
Hey. Oh my God.
I'm trying to hold it back. I'm crying.
Are you throwing up for real?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I'm a pee move.
Dude, where'd you pee at?
Right there where you're stepping.
No way, seriously?
Yeah, right there. You knew I peed there?
Roger, why don't you say something?
Okay, Chris, watch out. I peed there.
Oh my God. Just stepped in your ear. That is nasty.
Chris. Babe.
Oh my God, she passed out. Does she have a pulse?
Really?
Okay.
Babe.
Oh my God, Roger. Roger, stop.
Babe.
Oh my
Babe.
gosh.
Are you okay? You know you passed out, right? Go to sleep. Why?
She just did.
Babe. Babe.
Oh my God, she passed out again.
Babe.
No freaking way. Oh my God, Roger.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
I'm shaking.
But what is wrong with you is what I'm asking.
I don't know.
Do you need to go to the hospital?
No.
Babe.
Oh my God, she passed out again.
Babe.
Oh my God, Roger.
Try to wake her up.
Are you okay? Oh, hey, you good? Oh my God, Roger.
Later.
I don't have to throw up anymore. All right.
Yeah, that's perfect.